So we're here at the Southeast Austin Dairy Queen.
DQ, the queen.
DQ, that's what I like about
Texas.
Thank you. And we are here not only for lunch, but
Yes.
also to enjoy
Yes.
a Sour Patch Blizzard.
Blizzy. We're in Blizzytown. Population what?
You and me. You and I.
You and I. Yeah.
Sorry. English is
English
my
is-
second language. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? The Dairy Queen, for all your international non-Texas fans, Dairy Queen is a fast food chain here. Get like fried steak fingers.
So what is a fast food restaurant? Let's go back even further.
Fast food restaurant is a restaurant wherein you can just show up and say, I want my food, and they're like, hey, we already have it here under a heat lamp.
Yeah.
But they're famous for their blizzards.
Yes.
Which is basically an ice cream drink.
They
shake.
flip it over like this.
That's their claim to fame. Whew.
Yeah.
And it doesn't fall out. It's the blizzard guarantee.
Oh.
And then
He used to work here. He's the manager. This month is National Ice Cream Month.
Oh, is that right?
And I feel like Sour Patch is like pushing, like the CEO of Sour Patch is like, get this shit everywhere. Because they're doing cereal, they're doing these blizzards now, they're doing popsicles apparently.
They
I
have them
haven't
at
found
Walmart.
them, but he says,
I've seen them. I saw them the other day.
to catch you up, we tried cereal, not with this guy, another guy.
You and Chris Walker tried the cereal.
It was pure garbage. It smelled bad, it tastes like Flintstone vitamins. We had a couple spoons that made us sick. My prediction for this is between 1 to 10. It'll be like a 5. I don't think, like the cereal, I could only have one bite and I had to stop. I feel like I could maybe have like a fifth of this. I don't know, without like feeling too sick.
But I'm concerned that it won't be good because the blizzards are vanilla ice cream based and then they mix in another thing. You told me they mix in, this one actually has real Sour Punch in it. Sour Punch.
Yeah, Sour Patch.
Sour Patch.
Try that again. I'll edit this. I don't know. I have faith that this won't make me sick.
Okay.
Will I have it every day? Will I finish the whole thing? Probably not. I'm hoping it'll taste like a 7-Eleven slushie with some candy in it. We're gonna go order it. I'm gonna pay as a feminist.
So what's the plan here, Simone?
So the plan is we're gonna order just one Blizzy because Efren can't handle having his own.
Neither can you, whatever.
Smallest size of the Sour Patch Blizzard.
We don't have Sour Patch Blizzard anymore. We don't have Sour Patch Blizzard. We don't have Sour Patch Blizzard. We don't have Sour
That was the whole point of coming here.
Really?
Wait, and
Yesterday was the last one. It was only twice last.
all of the day.
Final update here. No ratings or reviews on the Sour Patch Blizzard because they no longer exist at this establishment.
We'll assume it sucked, shall we?
It probably sucked.
Yeah, it was not worth our money. It's an upsetting day.
Sour
July 25th, 2019. Worst day of my life. It's like, I don't want you to see me cry on camera, but I tried my whole life to be a good person. And it's like, I do good things. I try to help other people. And you think when you're 27 years old, it'll pay off. And you say, you know, I'll go with my acquaintance colleague that I barely know from work. And I'll go get a Dairy Queen Blizzard. Maybe you earned it. You bleed, you sweat, you cry at work just to make a living. And I said, today, I'm finally gonna get what I deserve. I'm gonna go. It's National Ice Cream Month. I park. It says Sour Patch Blizzard. I say, today's finally my time to shine. I eat a whole meal with this guy. Conversation is terrible. I sit through it. He's sexist. He's rude. I just sit through it because I know at the end of the day.
Racist. Also racist.
Yes, racist, sexist, misogynistic, anything else? Okay.
No, you got it.
And I think it's fine. I will sit through it because at the end of this, I'm going to get a blizzard. And then life just takes that from me. And what do I do now?
I don't know how you go on.
Yeah. Like, I honestly, I'm kind of concerned for us. I'm going to drive on the opposite side into traffic right now. I'm driving. I'm not looking at the road. I'm just going to freaking gas it. Okay, so in conclusion,
You wasted my day.
I wasted Efren's day. I took him out of many important meetings. Life is not good. You never get what you promised. People hurt. My heart hurts. Physically, I don't hurt yet, but maybe the chicken will come back. I just don't. Okay, there's a car coming. Might be a coworker. We'll just. Okay. And
they
are
might
they
want
following
that
me?
spot. Listen, life sucks, and then you die.
That's true. Every day that we live on this earth, we're just getting closer to that day.
It's one day closer to death.
And it sucks to know that I will never get Sour Patch in those days. Sour Patch ice cream.
All right, Simone, Efren,
This
we're
is
out.
a sad version.